Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful DIY glass bottles with black spray paint and gold glitter. So let's get started. All you need is a glass bottle which I've already painted it with black spray paint. You can also use normal black paint, whereas spray paint gives a glossy look and black paint gives a matte look. There are various patterns in which you can design the bottle. Now I'm going to show you only one design, and other various designs I'm going to show you later in the video. And you also need newspaper, scissors, an old paintbrush, glue bottle, masking tape and any glitter of your choice. Place the newspaper in your working area. Apply glue on the bottle on the desired shape of your design. I am doing a dripping design, so I am applying the glue in a vertical direction. And then apply the glitter on top of the glue and make sure it sticks very well. For removing the excess glitter, tap the bottle gently, and you can also use a paintbrush to remove the glitter which is sticking on the bottle. And follow the same step till you cover the whole bottle. So I have finished this bottle. This turned out really good, and you can also try it in your home. It's a very good idea to use this bottle as a home decor for your home. And this design is a beautiful zigzag pattern which I did it with gold paint and masking tape. And this one has glitters from the bottom of the bottle and has a V-cut shape. And for this bottle I used black paint, which you can see it gives a matte look. This one is similar to the one we did now. This is an ice cream dripping design. And I've also painted the bottom of the bottle with white paint. And the next one is gold leaf design, which is done using gold paint. And these are all the bottle art which I did. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like, share and comment down below. We'll see you soon on another video. Bye everyone.